Our vision is to have an Australia where all young people have the skills and the confidence to tell the stories that matter to them. We wanted to create a space where young people from all backgrounds could come and they could write, and they could explore writing as a creative and interesting and fun pursuit that will help them with their education, but help them express themselves to the world as well.
You're going to come up with a really good message in a bottle, and it's got to be so convincing that they get in a boat and they come to get you.
Success is different for different kids. Success is a fantastic 10-page story that we publish at the end of the term. And then we work with other young people, and success is the fact that they came to class and they answered the question, and now when they go back to their English classroom, they put their hand up when the teacher asks, because they may never have done that before, and that can make a huge difference to a kid.
I always say with everything that we do here that my job is for us to be creative. So it's just actually for them to generate ideas.
We only work with young people from under-resourced communities, and in Australia there is a very high correlation between coming from an under-resourced community and having lower literacy rates. So we do work with a lot of young people who have not experienced success in writing, and that can sometimes lead them to erroneously think that they are not good writers or they don't have good things worth saying. At the moment, unfortunately, literacy rates are going in the wrong direction. It used to be that the gap between a young person who was advantaged and a young person who was disadvantaged was about 3 years. It's now 5 years. So that's what we want to change. That money is so important for us. It allows us to run 4 term-length programs at 4 different schools. So we support the kids to write about whatever it is that we think is going to be the most engaging for them. At the end of that program, our amazing volunteers type up the stories, we print out a beautiful cover on it, we bind it, and the last workshop is when we give the kids back their books. That's when they can hold them in their hand, we take it home and show grandma, and feel really proud of what it is that they've done. Because of this funding, we can do that every term with 50 young people. So that's 200 young people in a year who otherwise would not have this opportunity. And it can really change their lives. It changes the way they write, changes the way they engage at school, and that changes their prospects for the future.